Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are changing a mirror on a 2012 Toyota Corolla. I hit a heron on the turnpike, busted this thing right off. Weren't for this control wire here, it'd have been gone. But mirror's busted out, everything. Anyways, you can change this in about 10 minutes. Let's call it 15 if you're not quite as skilled, but only a couple things you're gonna need. You're gonna need either a 10mm socket, a little screwdriver, or a 10mm ratchet wrench. So we're gonna do this real quick here. There's a lot of videos that'll tell you take the whole door off, you got to get this piece off, take a screw off, take this piece off, take a screw off, take the whole panel off. You don't have to do that. This is actually pretty easy, and it's a sneaky way to do it. You just got to get your fingers up in here and kind of pull this back, and be careful because there's pins right here. This snaps off, and that is all the space you need to get at this, because this thing, and by thing I mean this little speaker, pulls right off. All right, there's the 3 screws. We're gonna take these out, swap this out. Now there's one key to this, and let me show you real quick. You're gonna pull this plastic back, and see that little tab right there? There's a little tab that you get your screwdriver on, and you push it in, and that pulls right out. So this is a cheat way to do it, but it does work. I just replaced the driver mirror, which is the one that was busted, but let's get this off real quick. Let me show you. Alrighty, now we got the bolts out. So this thing, there's actually just a little clip right there. It pulls right out. And one thing to note, my old mirrors are blue and the new mirrors are black, but I'm pretty sure this piece comes off. I'm gonna actually look up how to do that, because I don't want to bust this since they're brand new. I'll probably take the blue ones off, and if they work well, I'll take the black off, pop the blue back on. But it's the same mirror, so I will post a link to where I got these. Both mirrors, 58 bucks, I think $62 with shipping. So super cheap. I'll put the link down in the description. But here's all you do. Oh, looks like the new one doesn't have the clip right here, so we got to hold it. There's two holes to line this up, and all these bolts are the same size. So the good news is you don't have to keep track of which one was which. You don't want to do that and drop it down the door. Now I got to get a magnet. All right, we got everything back together, and as you can see, we're plugged in down there. Honestly, this is the hardest part, is fishing that thing back down in there, because you can't pull this out too hard. You don't want to break it. So unless you got really small hands fishing, it's a little tough, but that's it right there. We got that on. All we got to do is pop this back together, and we're back in business. I think I did this mirror in less than 10 minutes. All right, I just want to make sure you can see this, so you can see how easy this is. So basically, your speaker, there's a little plug right here, one little hole. It just fits right in there, snaps in. Then this kind of snaps down here. You got two snaps that you popped out, and then you just pop that together shut. We're in business. That's how easy it is to change these mirrors. Don't take it to a mechanic and charge an arm and a leg. If you're any kind of mechanically inclined, you do these quick. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope this helps you do your project. The 2008 through 13 are the same window on the Toyotas. Many cars are like that, but thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you later. We're probably cooking something soon.